What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're going to be making the Cuba Kula. The Cuba Kula is a tiki drink created by famous bartender Ray Buhen, who was one of the first bartenders at the original Don the Beachcomber restaurant in 1934. He then went to open his own tiki bar in LA down on Sunset called Tiki. It's a very small tiki bar. I wish COVID wasn't here because I would probably go check it out. I love, really old school tiki bars. Tiki is now run by his son and his grandson. So it's a family type of thing. But let's get started, shall we? First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some honey. Just using some Costco honey. I'm using 2 jiggers because the honey is really sticky and it's gonna ruin measuring, so I'm just gonna use another jigger. We're gonna do half an ounce of honey. Okay. Make sure you use wildflower honey. Get it in there. Okay. Fun to clean up. And then we're gonna cut up our lime and we're gonna do 2 full ounces of fresh lime juice. My dog hears me cutting things and he thinks that stuff is gonna drop on the floor for him, but it's just juice, no food for him. So we're gonna do 2 full ounces of fresh lime juice. So it looks like it's gonna be about 1.5 limes. Cut 1 more lime. Oh my god, I got some lime juice in my eye. I'm fine. No, it's gonna look like, oh god, that burns. Oh, jeez. That was not fun. Might have looked funny, but it was not fun. Okay, so it's about 2 whole limes. We're gonna take that out of the way, throw away our lime peels. Not lime peels, our spent lime wheels. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna use our bar spoon and dissolve our honey in the lime juice. Okay, that should be good. Okay. Oh my goodness, my freaking eye. Okay. Now we're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh orange juice. Oh my god. I'm still cracking up. Oh my gosh. And then for our alcohol, we're gonna do 1 ounce of Dark Jamaican Rum. I'm using Myers. Myers, if you don't have Jamaican rum at home, this is definitely the best Jamaican rum you can get. Starting off, they sell them pretty much at every grocery store. You can get it for about 22 bucks at like Albertsons or Kroger, even Trader Joe's. Okay, and then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Demerara Rum. I am using Hamilton. Hamilton is a little bit more of a niche rum brand. It's actually not a brand, but it's a rum connoisseur by the name of Ed Hamilton. He has been distributing rums from small distilleries and given them to the masses, but it's still hard to find. You can't really find it at Bevmo. You can find it at Total Wine. Demerara Rum is made from Demerara sugar and it's made alongside the Demerara River, so it's hard to find a substitute for it. It's good rum. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of 151 Puerto Rico rum. I'm using Don Q. Do not use near open flames. And for 151 rum, it's hard to find it at a grocery store. I don't even know if grocery stores are allowed to sell them, but liquor stores, you can definitely find 151 rum. Okay, and now we're gonna add a dash of Ango. And then we're gonna do 1/8 of a teaspoon of Pernod, which is absinthe. And you can find Pernod at some grocery stores, not a lot. I found this at Vaughn's for about $21. Okay, so now that we got everything in our tin, we are going to, not that ice, that's our crushed ice. We are going to add ice to our tin. Combine our tins and shake. Okay. Ooh. I love bubbles, aeration. Okay. Now that we got everything mixed, we're going to add crushed ice to our pilsner glass. And we're gonna try not to spill. Don't fill it all the way up. Fill it mostly up. And then you can always add more ice. And we're gonna strain. Top it off with a little bit more crushed ice. Okay, now we're gonna cut up a lime. Get a little lime wedge. Get our cocktail pick. We're gonna get our cherry first. And then our lime. Ugh. Just put it in there. Oh. There we go. Get our biodegradable straw. And there we have it, the Cuba Kula. Let's give it a sip. Very lime forward. Interesting. Very, very limey. But you get that sweetness from the honey. And those notes, those grassy notes from the rum, Jamaican rum. And that kind of full bodiness, molassesy taste of the Demerara rum, and then get that nice kick with the 151. But yes, very limey, but really, really pleasant. Well, there we have it, the Cuba Kula. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Stay safe, everyone. Support your local bars, order takeout, make drinks, do whatever makes you happy, but remember, support your local bartender. Stay safe, everyone. See you in the next one.